Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video I am going to show you guys how I make pomkèt. It is a cupcake, you guys, a Haitian cupcake, but I put my twist on it as usual and it came out delicious. If you want to see it, keep on watching. Be sure you are subscribed and let's go. I am starting with coconut milk and I am going in with evaporated milk, melted butter, next, we're going to add vanilla extract, almond extract, and 2 eggs. Now make sure you stir it really good. Now time to add the sugar. Give it a quick mix. Next, time to add the cinnamon powder. Alright, I am going to add some tangerine zest in there for some nice flavor. Now time to add my flour. I am using self-rising flour. You can definitely substitute the self-rising flour for regular flour. Just add about 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Alright, now make sure you mix it really good. Now time to add the tangerine. Now this is optional, you guys. If you do not like tangerine, you can always go for pineapple, but I am using tangerine today's video. Once you have your tangerine nice and cut, by the way, this was supposed to be a cake video, but something went wrong and I am going to show you guys what went wrong. I added some melted butter in there. Now time to add the tangerine. Now I have to show you guys this part, otherwise you guys would have asked me, hey, what happened, what's going on? So I had to include that little part in the video, so don't mind this part, just to save myself some questions. Now I am going to add a good amount of condensed milk. You can add as much as you want, don't add too much. Let me just say that, okay? The measurement will be down below, so check it out. Now once you add your condensed milk, you're going to add your batter. Now time to bake the cake. Until this happened. The cake spilled all over my oven, you guys, because I didn't seal it really good, so it spilled all over. So that's why I am making cupcake today. Now what I am going to do, I am basically going to take the tangerine and add them in the cupcake pan at the bottom of the cupcake, as you guys can see. Next, I am going to add the batter in there like cupcake. Don't really take a long time to cook. That's what's good about making cupcake. It takes just a few minutes. Now once I have every cupcake hole filled, I am going to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. For 15 to 20 minutes. Now this is what they look like when once they are done. They're nice and golden and they're giving you that orangey color from the tangerine. Like I said, you can always use pineapple if you prefer pineapple, but they came out really good. One little thing I will suggest, the tangerine kind of, you know, when it's baking, it's kind of melt in the batter, so it's kind of make that little bottom part of the cupcake a little soggy, so I wouldn't recommend tangerine. But this is it, you guys. The cupcake tastes amazing. If you're going to try this recipe, let me know down below, and also do not forget to Do not forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.